good avail because of the challenges in our country. And tell you what, there is going to be a dinner, a fundraising dinner at the Aston Villa Club in Birmingham. And I truly will be your host for the night. And this will be your chance, Old Miltonian, to help and be a part of raising money to rebuild this infrastructure right here at Milton High School. And I send out invitations to everyone, whether you have been an Old Miltonian or you've been to another school. Come and be a part of this beautiful night, and this will take Milton High School to a better place, to a new place. And there are details right on the screen as to where you purchase your tickets, the days, the time, and we will see you there. Thank you.